你好，我是 Joy，欢迎来到我的中文课堂。Hello, my name is Joy. A big welcome to my Mandarin class. This lesson is dedicated to help people who are struggling with the Chinese pronunciation, which we call it Pinyin. As we all know, mastering pronunciation is a great start to speak a new language. Once you can pronounce all the sounds correctly and accurately, especially those ones that you've never heard or said before, you will be more confident when talking to people. So enough talking, let's just dive in straight away. As you can see on my screen here, a Mandarin syllable consists of three components, an initial, a final, and a tone. Here's example. This part, we call it initial. This part, we call it final. And if you can see above here, that's we call it tone. So altogether, this is a pinyin for this Chinese character. So we have three steps to say this word. The first step is for initial. So this initial in English is B, but in Mandarin, we call it bo. Do you want to say it? Bo. Nice try. So that's the first step, and the second step, and we pronounce the final. Woo. Can you say it? Woo. Great. So together, bo, woo. Good. And we'll add the tone. This tone is falling down, so we call it falling tone. It's a bit harsh. Let's try it. Bo, woo, boo. Did you get it? One more time. Bo, woo, boo. Great. So bu means not, means no. Well, when we speak, we actually write this word a lot. So here's the code. When the second word is a falling tone, so we kind of rise the first word to the rising tone. For example, bu, we're going to change into bu. For example, if someone asks you to buy something you don't really want it, you say 不要谢谢. Imagine you go to Yamcha and all those people trying to get you heaps of food, but you've got enough. You picked the ones that you like, you don't want to get more, so you say 不要谢谢. Can you say it again? 不要谢谢. 非常好. Very good. So that's 波. Yeah. And the second one, we will straight away do the sound and the three steps, and we pronounce the word. We have a phrase, and we'll make a sentence straight away. And I will create a conversation, little conversation here we can practice with. The second one is po. Can you say it? Po. So, po, pen. Can you try it, please? Po, pen. Try it harder. Po, pen. Yes, that's a great start. So, pen means friend, and we actually have a phrase called 朋友, friend. Can you say 朋友? And let's make a sentence with these two words. As we know, this one is 不. And when we say don't want, is 不要. 不要. And 朋友 together. 不要朋友. Don't want friends. How to say he doesn't want friends? He is 他. Can you give it a try first before I say the correct sentence? He doesn't want friends. How to say it? nice try. 他不要朋友。Let's say it faster. 他不要朋友。Okay, that's a sentence we learned today. First sentence we learned today. Alright, let's go to the third one. This one is more. Can you say it? More. So 3 steps. more. 啊妈 So ma means mom. So we like to say mama. So it's a phrase called a mom. Mama. I think all the mom phrases are quite similar, like Chinese mama, English mom. Yeah, this sounds quite similar. So I think this one may be not too hard for you to say. Let's skip this one. Or maybe we'll make a sentence before we start the next one. So we know he doesn't want friends. Do you remember that sentence? Yes, that's right. 他不要朋友。How about he doesn't want his mom? He's 他的。Can you say the sentence for me? Good try. 他不要他的妈妈。He doesn't want his mom. 但是我想要我的妈妈。But I want my mom. Alright. Number 4, this one, for. So let's do 3 steps. For, 分. 分 means cent. Well, it can have different meanings when we pair it with different words. But here, let's just think it's cent. 分. For example, 1 cent, we'll say 1分 plus money, 钱, 1分钱. When I was a kiddo, like we sing a song a lot. 我在马路边捡了1分钱，把它交给警察叔叔手里一边。It actually means I picked up 1 cent on the road and I gave it to the policeman. So that's supposed to encourage the kids to return all the items, especially the money they accidentally found on the street or somewhere, to the policeman. That's quite funny, right? Okay, and let's do this 4 together. 波坡摸佛. Can you repeat after me? Let's do it one more time. 波坡摸佛. Very good. And this one, we say it 的. Can you say 的? Great. So let's do 3 steps. 的为对. Can you say 对? Good. I think you might have heard this word a lot because we kind of say it a lot when we make agreement in daily life. 对的，对对对对对，对对对。哦，你是对的。You're right. Right, right, right. So 对对对。How to say he's right? He's right. So he is 他 Right is 对 How to say it? Yes, clever. 他对 So simple, right? Just 他对 Or if you want to say I'm right, I means 我 So 我对我对你不对 You're not right. 好，我们看下一个 This one 特 So 3 steps 特烟天 Can you repeat after me? 天 Good try. Try it harder. 天 Good. 天 means the sky. We have a phrase 天空 Can you say it? 天空 sky. Don't worry if you can't remember all the phrases or sentences I've told you here, because that's not the key. The key point for you here is to practice, the muscles around your mouth and try to get used to the new sounds. And once you can do it, that's achievement. Yes. All right. Next one. Can you repeat after me? Ne. Ne. Good. And let's do 3 steps as we did it before. Ne, yi, ni. You go. Nice try. Let's do it faster. Ne, yi, ni. Great. Ni means you. Do you remember he? Ta, yes. You've got a good memory. Ta. Well, I have good news for you. So in Mandarin, he and she, we just have one word, that is ta. That's why if you talk to some Chinese people who just started learning English, and you will find they often make mistakes between he and she. He, if it's he or she might be say she, That's a mistake I made as well, even nowadays. This is the reason. Now you can see. It's just different, right? The language. Alright, this 他, 你. How to say I? I mentioned it before. Yes, that's 我. So let's do 3 together. 你我他. Can you say? Great. Say one more time. 你我他. Good try. And this one. Maybe after this one we just have a little rest. Okay? This one is 了. Can you say it? 了. 非常好，非常好。When I say 非常好, that means very good. Alright, 好，来，我们来读一下这里3个步骤 ，3 steps. 了 you 六 Can you say it, please? Good. One more time. 了 you 六 So 六 means 6. So Mandarin is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, is it fast? Do you like the sounds? I think after this lesson you will understand why sometimes with Chinese people talking they sounds like singing, because we go to the tones, like 4 tones literally. Flat one, you can see the flat one, and rising one. Deeping one is 你, and falling one 不, right? So 4 tones. And we will practice more in the future. But today, let's master the first a few. Alright, we are going to sing a song actually to help you to practice. Okay, please sing after me. Bo, po, mo, fo. Good. And second part, da, ta, na, le. Yes, that's right. And we connect them together. Bo, po, mo, fo, da, ta, na, le. Good. One more time. Please sing it out loud. Bo, po, mo, fo, da, ta, na, le. Yes, I heard you. Okay, that's great. And we will continue the next few in the next lesson. Alright, I will see you in the next lesson. Have a great day. See ya. 再见.